So I was gonna edit this all cute, but I don't have time. So I promised y'all I was gonna give a review on that that white truffle hot sauce. What better way to evaluate a hot sauce than on fries? So I'm making some homemade fries. Look, these are steak fries, sweet potato and white. Look, I'm gonna put them in the oven right now, 450 for about 35 minutes. They're gonna be golden and crispy and so good. I'm gonna take them and then douse them in that truffle sauce. I'm gonna eat it in front of you to rub it in because you don't have any. And then I'm gonna give you a review, okay? So I'll be back in a few minutes to let you know how it came out, okay? Man, can you guys smell that? Of course you can't because you're not here. It's coming along. Oh snap. It's looking good. It's beeping. It's ready. Yeah, so that's kind of what it looks like. It's a sweet potato one. Kind of crispy on the top. Soft on the inside. I think it needs like 5 more minutes, but they're good. I just tried it. Show you some shit. It smells so good in my crib. Watch. Look, this is what they look like. This is supposed to, there's some G stuff right here. I'm gonna do something I wanted to do since I was a kid. That's how you do it, papas. Put it salt on the papas. So this is the real reason we are here today, is to give a review of this stuff. This little bottle costs $35. I am a cheap mofo. I don't buy stuff like this. But I had to because Oprah said this is the best hot sauce ever. So I got it. First, you gotta shake the bottle real good because there's like a truffle oil in there or whatever. So I'll shake it up. Then you gotta pick a fry. So I'm gonna go sweet potato and I'm gonna go lightly charred. So this one right here, that's the one. Grab a sauce. I already shook it. Now it's real expensive, so you can't waste any. You pour it right on the potato. Ooh, look at that, juicy. Okay, here we go. It's the Fatboy Lu review of the white truffle sauce. $35, so it's like $2 worth of hot sauce on a piece of potato. Hope I don't burn my face. Good. Get you a bottle. Fire. Definitely fire. Okay, so now that I've been able to process that deliciousness on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most delicious as it relates to hot sauce in general, that would be high 9s, it's 9.5. A truffle taste in the beginning, so it's kind of sweet, and then it ends with a little bit of kick, and it's not that strong. It's just a unique taste. I've never experienced anything like that before. I recommend trying it. $35 for a bottle, however, I don't know. I might buy it again, but maybe one more time because I could use that money for, I don't know, other things like liquor. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Peace.